nothing under here. Birds are freaking out, but I'm coming through. Shitload of mud wasp. All right, let's see. All right, so we're here at Elmer Lake. Only fished this lake one other time. I got a nice bass while I was here, so I figure I'll come out. I'll fish the side that not many other people fish, because obviously, as you saw, I had to go underneath the bridge. I want to see what it's like on this side. Hopefully I can get some fish. We're going to be using topwater lures mainly. It's not that deep here. Right now it's only 2.5 feet. I also got some fluke lures. We're going to try that. I'm going to throw some soft plastics. We're going to see, you know, what works out here today. Hopefully I can get some nice fish. Tired of catching pickerel all the time. And I know you guys don't tune in just to watch me catch pickerel. So. Is that a fish? It's a fucking turtle. Holy shit, it's a fish. I had no fucking idea. Look at that. Holy shit, I thought it was a snag. That is beautiful. There you go. Boom, that's a beauty right there. I gotta get a picture of that. Well guys, there you go. Not every day can be a winner. I did get one fish, so I'm okay with that. All right, Elmer Lake sucks. Probably won't be back here. See yas.